Oh, we've got one of these back and... So, we've got Peugeot RCZ in, as you can see. Bag of crap. This one's ours, but we have had about 4 of us in the last so many weeks. So, today we've got false diagnosis on the head gaskets. So, as you can see on here, you see water's mixed in with the oil. Yada, yada, yada. Right, throw the engine away or change the head gasket. No, we do not do that. So, as you can see, the main problems with these engines are, everyone knows, time change, stretch, guide snap, yada, yada, yada. But the other thing that they don't tell you about is false head gaskets. So as you look down there, I've put a core plug in. That's from a Sophia GSI, believe it or not. So that one got changed by me about 7 years ago. So what tends to happen with these is, as you can see there, even though I've smashed that with a screwdriver, you can see them little pit marks. It goes dead porous. It's made from like a alloy of sorts. So it just comes away bit by bit, so it ends up getting pinholes in. Then you get things like, as you can see, that green stuff there. So on the top of the engine, I don't get why they put core plugs on the engine itself, on the inside. These are supposed to be on the outside, as far as I'm aware. So these are designed basically to push out if you don't put like antifreeze in. So it stops cracking the head or the block or what have you. But Peugeot have put them on the inside of the engine, then put shitty core plugs in. So we've got this issue. So as you can see there, you've got that one there, and you've got that one there. Them two are a 20, just under a 21 mil. So I'm going to have to get a 21 mil core plug, which I've got from American Car Coming, and we're going to file it down and pop it in. But yes, check your Peugeots and check your Minis before you go to the garage and get ripped off a new head gasket, which it will not be. This is the main problem that we've got. Guys, they basically build these engines just a knackle. Like, literally, after 2010, engines just got really, really, really bad. And there's a reason for it, because there's an agenda. Sort your engines out. Check this out before you take it to the mechanic and get ripped off, or throw it away because you think there's some issue with it. So, right, check your engines, knock on. I'm knocking off. See you later. Bye.